have one red right here.
And we're also gonna need some water so we can take it off. Hi, it's me, Monica. My videos.
Yeah.
Right now we're gonna be opening like our bird houses, and we're gonna like paint them. That's what we're gonna do. And this time I'm with my brother Jaime. Have this one. It's hi guys. So we're gonna paint now. I don't know which color to do. I think I'm gonna do this pink. I like painting. Look at Daddy. I made a difference like pink, and then I made this one.
Ooh, awesome.
The back is going to be...
Monica,
Oh, be careful.
Ah.
I'm gonna use, yeah, there's some choices. Some, I'm gonna do red. You can like put some this and that. And now you can make, and then
do it.
fun. It's like that looks like a doll. I think mine looks like a dollhouse. Jamie's looks like a real birdhouse, but it has like so many colors of like the bird.
That looks like the boy dollhouse.
Very nice. Turn it around. Show me the other side. There you go. Whoa, that's a good one. Good job, buddy.
This is my front. This is my back. This is my butt. This is my the other bottom. Here is this side.
Ooh, nice.
Here's the other side. And here's the thing.
Rainbow, nice.
And here I made like the opposite. Light blue right there, dark blue right there. Light. Oh, I thought I did light blue.
It's okay. Looks good.
I tried to do the opposite.
You got light blue.
And also the window there, and I also did here.
Where's the window? Where was it?
Good job.
Ooh, the
Thank
window.
you.